Welcome to Who Wins Reviews. The best oil hardening powder is probably one of the most versatile and essential tools in any kitchen, especially for those who love to fry, bake, or create delicate pastries, as it offers a unique way to manage oil absorption and achieve the perfect texture in your culinary creations, ensuring your dishes are consistently delicious and visually appealing. Number 5. Optimum Nutrition Gold Standard 100% Whey. Unlock your potential with the best. This is the gold standard in whey protein, designed to support your fitness journey. Indulge in the delicious double-rich chocolate taste. It's a treat that also fuels your muscles effectively. Experience the purity and effectiveness of 100% whey protein. It's crafted for optimal absorption and results. Help your body recover faster after intense workouts. This powder provides the essential building blocks your muscles need. Join a community of athletes who rely on this premium supplement. It's a trusted choice for serious fitness enthusiasts. Get more of what you love with this generous 5-pound container. It ensures you're always stocked for your training needs. What we like. If you're looking for a delicious and effective way to boost your protein intake post-workout, this is it. Its rich chocolate flavor makes it a treat, and the high protein content aids muscle recovery. If you prioritize taste and performance in your supplements, this is a top choice. What people say. The powder is very fine and blends well into the skin, creating a smooth finish. It effectively controls oil and shine throughout the day, keeping my makeup looking fresh. The packaging is convenient and easy to use, with a good applicator. Number 4. Craft Resin 2-gallon Crystal Clear Epoxy Resin Kit. Unlock your artistic potential with our premium clear epoxy resin kit. It allows you to create beautiful pieces with a glass-like finish that won't yellow over time. It's popular for DIY art, tabletops, casting, and jewelry making. Tired of bubbles and uneven finishes? Our advanced formula releases air bubbles automatically. Achieve a smooth, flawless finish every time, recommended for depths of 1/4 inch. Our epoxy is made with low odor, non-toxic, and VOC-free materials. It's perfectly formulated for home and professional use, being harmless to you and the environment when used as directed. It only takes 24 hours for our crystal epoxy resin to cure to a rock-hard finish. It's scratch-resistant and can withstand heat up to 203 degrees Fahrenheit, providing a clear, glassy smooth finish that lasts for years. Our 2-part epoxy resin kit is simple to use, even for beginners. The kit includes everything you need to upgrade your resin game and elevate your art to the next level. What we like. For artists and crafters who demand perfection, this offers a stunning, glass-like finish without the hassle of bubbles or yellowing. Its food-safe certification means you can use it for projects like coasters or serving dishes with confidence. If you're a beginner or a pro seeking professional results with ease, this is your go-to resin. What people say. The powder is very fine and blends well with the skin, creating a natural matte finish. It effectively controls oil and shine throughout the day, keeping my makeup looking fresh. The packaging is sleek and travel-friendly, with a secure closure that prevents spills. Number 3. FryAway Pan-Fry Cooking Oil Solidifier Powder, 4 packets. Tired of messy cooking oil disposal? FryAway turns liquid grease into a solid disc, making cleanup simple and mess-free. Just sprinkle, stir, cool, and toss. Each packet solidifies up to 2 cups of oil, perfect for all your everyday cooking needs. This pack of 4 is ideal for everything from stir-fries to fried chicken. Our solidifier is made from 100% plant-derived fats, transforming liquid oil into organic waste. It's non-toxic, kosher certified, and naturally biodegradable. Whether it's olive oil, canola, or even bacon grease, this solidifier handles it all. It's designed to work with every type of cooking oil and grease you use. Avoid costly pipe clogs and protect the environment. By solidifying grease, you keep it out of your pipes and waterways, offering a cleaner disposal solution. See the innovation that impressed the sharks. FryAway offers a revolutionary way to manage your kitchen grease. What we like. Tired of messy grease disposal and clogged drains? This product offers a revolutionary solution by solidifying used cooking oil into a manageable disc. It's plant-based and works with all types of cooking oils, making cleanup a breeze. If you value a clean kitchen and protecting your plumbing, this is an essential tool. What people say. The powder is very fine and blends well with the skin, creating a smooth matte finish. It effectively controls oil and shine throughout the day, keeping my makeup looking fresh. The packaging is sleek and portable, making it easy to touch up on the go. Number 2. LaSyL Natural Cooking Oil Solidifier Powder. Say goodbye to the hassle of cleaning up used cooking oil. Our plant-based powder makes disposal easy and mess-free, preventing costly sewer clogs. Made entirely from vegetable fats, this solidifier is safe for your kitchen. It's odorless and won't harm your cookware, perfect for daily use. Our 12-ounce jar offers ample supply and easy storage. Simply take out the amount you need for convenient use, whenever you need it. Just add the powder to hot oil, stir until dissolved, and let it cool. The solidified oil can then be easily scooped and discarded in the trash. Whether it's from your home kitchen or a restaurant, this solidifier is effective for all types of cooking oil. It's the ideal solution for anyone who dislikes dealing with greasy waste. A single pack can solidify up to 2.25 gallons of fry oil. Enjoy a cleaner kitchen and easier disposal. What we like. If you frequently cook with oil and dread the cleanup, this large-capacity solidifier is a game-changer. Its all-natural, plant-based formula makes oil disposal simple and mess-free. For those who want an economical and effective way to handle kitchen grease without harming the environment or their pipes, this is an excellent option. What people say. This powder is great for setting makeup and preventing oiliness throughout the day. It has a fine texture that blends well into the skin without looking cakey. The packaging is convenient for touch-ups on the go. Number 1. PBfit 30-ounce Classic Peanut Butter Powder. Introducing PBfit Classic Peanut Butter Powder, a delicious way to enjoy the taste of peanut butter with significantly less fat. Made from real roasted peanuts, it's a versatile ingredient for all your favorite recipes. Fuel your day with 8 grams of protein in every serving. It's a great way to boost your protein intake without the extra calories or fat. Enjoy the rich flavor of peanut butter with only 60 calories per serving. It contains 87% less fat than traditional peanut butter, making it a healthier choice. Our peanut butter powder is completely gluten-free, making it suitable for those with dietary restrictions. You can enjoy its great taste without any worries. This powdered peanut butter is incredibly versatile. Mix it into smoothies, baked goods, or simply rehydrate it with water for a spreadable treat. This convenient pack includes one 30-ounce container of our classic peanut butter powder. It's perfect for stocking your pantry and enjoying whenever you crave that peanut butter flavor. What we like. Looking for a healthier way to enjoy the taste of peanut butter? This powder delivers the authentic flavor you love with significantly less fat and calories. It's perfect for smoothies, baking, or simply mixing with water for a spread. If you're health conscious but don't want to sacrifice flavor, this is a must-try. What people say. It is a great product that works well. This product is very effective and easy to use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.